Welcome back. The president using the 12th anniversary of the DACA program, which allowed migrants who were brought into the U.S. as children to stay and work without fear of deportation, to announce a new program that could help many of those so-called dreamers and thousands more already living in the U.S. Skylar Henry with details today from the White House.
As many as 500,000 immigrants could be on a new pathway to permanent U.S. residency.
I'm announcing a common sense fix to streamline the process for obtaining legal status for immigrants married to American citizens.
To apply for a green card, the migrants must already be married to a U.S. citizen, have lived in the U.S. for at least 10 years, and pass a background check.
I refuse to believe that to secure our border we have to walk away from being in America. For that's generations have been renewed, revitalized, and refreshed by the talent, the skill, the hard work, the courage, and determination of immigrants coming to our country.
This new policy comes after Biden saw major pushback from progressives who disagreed with the crackdown he announced earlier this month to try to limit the number of asylum seekers crossing the southern border.
It is not how I would have approached it, but I do appreciate that right now what the president is doing is he's saying families are important to Americans and that we are going to do everything we can to protect the spouses of American citizens.
I think all these are both him trying to have his cake and eat it too. In the one sense, saying he's going to shut the border down, but in the other sense, reassuring his progressive left that he's still going to be sensitive to letting people in. He's just got a political problem.
The Trump campaign slammed the policy, saying Biden has created another invitation for illegal immigration through his mass amnesty order.
A senior U.S. official told CBS News illegal crossings on the southern border dropped to roughly 2,000 migrant apprehensions on the border Monday, the lowest daily average since 2020 when the COVID pandemic slowed migration.